Thank you for choosing Warrington Volkswagen. My name is Paul Rees and I am the service manager here. Me and my excellent team who are passionate about the brand and delivering an excellent customer service invite you to watch this short video explaining your after-sales journey. Here at Warrington Volkswagen, we look after 50 to 60 customers and their cars per day, 8:30 to 9:30 being our busiest time. A member of staff will greet you and introduce you to the service department on arrival, where you will meet Mark Welding, my front of house manager.
My role is to make your after-sales journey seamless. I will introduce you to your assigned service advisor who will look after you for the day, and I'm always on hand to answer any questions you may have. We offer a selection of transport options to suit your needs, which include collection delivery, lift home or into work, courtesy car, express drop-off and pole position. Pole position allows you to wait for your Volkswagen whilst it is being looked after by our trained technicians. You can sit back and relax while taking advantage of our complimentary lounge and Wi-Fi area where drinks and refreshments are available.
During the course of the day you will receive a bespoke video from your technician. This will present you with any advice to keep your vehicle safe and sound, allowing you to make an informed decision. We have qualified technicians to master technicians who are all accredited by the Volkswagen brand to give you the best advice.
To keep you in tune with your Volkswagen, we have two apps available for you to download. VW Connect offers retrofit car connectivity to your Volkswagen, dating back to 2008 models. A data plug is connected to your vehicle, which sends information to the VW Connect app on your smart device via Bluetooth. You can then view data on the app, such as your recent journeys, driving style, fuel levels, and even where you've parked your car. The second app available is My Volkswagen. This is a personal companion and guide that helps customers get the most out of their vehicle, whether they're already a proud owner or looking at becoming part of the VW family. This app has many distinctive benefits and features. They include vehicle delivery tracker, information and support, online service booking and live service updates, as well as your service history and owner's manual.
Thank you for watching this short video. I look forward to seeing you soon here at Warrington Volkswagen.